You want to live here?
Maybe. It looks terrifying. There's donkeys here.
That's awesome. And we're just getting started. Are you seeing this? I've never seen anything like this. This is spectacular. This could be your last day on Earth right now. Enjoy it. Today we leave for Split and drive to Dubrovnik, a city known for its 16th century old town which is encircled with massive stone walls. Dubrovnik is separate from the rest of Croatia, which requires us to go through Bosnia to get to it.
Driving through Bosnia right now, we had to stop at the border crossing. You have to stop there to get through to Dubrovnik, where we're going next. And honestly, I was a bit nervous at first going through because I didn't know what to expect. Thought they'd like search the car, ask for passports. And we got to the booth and they just waved us on through. So that was pretty easy, actually.
This is our Airbnb in Dubrovnik. What a view. Looks good, eh? Hey, Leah. Good morning, Leah. Good morning. Our Airbnb in Dubrovnik. I can never say it right. It has a Samoyed dog. The place is absolutely stunning. What do you think, Jade? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Off to Old Town today, and what do we do first? Ascend to the top of a mountain for a spectacular view of Old Town. Currently stuck in traffic. I don't know how long we were trying to get up to the gondola. We accidentally went up the road to go up to the top, but it was terrifying, so the kids were terrified, so we had to turn around.
I was not terrified.
Oh, well, she wasn't. Jaden was. We gotta go up there. I'm not sure if we have to walk up there. That's the start or that's the end. I think that's the start. Start is on the bottom. All right. Hey, Mael knows where we're going. We're just following Mael. We turned Google Maps off. We got Mael Maps. Are you confident in Mael Maps? The Mael Map app? Oh my God, Mael Maps worked. How did you know?
I don't know.
Look at that. Cable car ticket. You're more excited than the kids.
I'm afraid of heights though, but I do it anyway.
This could be your last day on Earth right now. Enjoy
Dad,
it.
stop it. Stop trying to
She likes the
scare us.
music. If you want to see the best views of Dubrovnik, you either take the cable car or drive up. On a clear day, you can see up to 60 kilometers.
Up at the top here, Dubrovnik, we just took the cable car up and that's an amazing view. And we're just getting started to explore up here. We're gonna go walk around and stuff. There's donkeys up here. That's awesome. And that's like a, I don't know, 2,000 foot drop. They don't care.
I don't know why they're here. See them behind me? And the kids are petting them.
What do you think of those donkeys?
Weird.
I think it's cool.
I think I know how they got up here. They somehow used the gondola to get up here.
Just pet him. He's gonna let you pet him. Trust me. I wouldn't.
That's so cool.
Well, I'm thinking after this 6-month trip that we're on is over, we were gonna ask the kids what's the best thing they ever did. And it's gonna be petting donkeys. Right, Jaden?
Yeah.
So normally we would come up and then walk down or walk up and go down with but Kathy's knee is sore today, so.
Yeah, I whacked it taking a photo.
Hey, all in the name of Instagram.
Yeah, I guess.
What a great start to the day. Now we go down the mountain to explore Old Town. I hear it's supposed to be pretty amazing.
This is the entrance to the town.
All right, lead the way. You seeing this? This is crazy.
This
We
is
just walked in.
stunning.
We just walked
Everywhere
in.
in Croatia is stunning. Everywhere.
Start this off with a big climb to the top of the wall of Europe. It's supposed to be the China Wall of Europe, or the Great Wall of China Wall of Europe.
Oh my God.
Did I say that wrong?
You can't talk anymore on camera.
Oh, I can't talk anymore. I can't. Why?
Here's my stairs workout. I love to do stairs. I'm sure getting that in Europe.
Oh my God.
Woo.
Look at this view.
These 2-kilometer stone walls surrounding Old Town were built in the 14th and 15th centuries to protect from foreign attacks.
Have you ever seen anything like? I've never seen anything like this. This is spectacular.
Makes me want to go to the Great Wall of China now. Do
Yeah.
you think we can do that on this trip? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Is it?
We were up there And now we're down here. Not really your type of thing, but what do you think about this?
Oh, I love this. It's so cool. It's like walking along castle walls.
I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time.
The thing is that people actually still live in here. Like it's a tourist attraction, but they're living here.
In like 300-year-old homes.
I know. There are oranges and pomegranates everywhere here. I never knew they grew in places anywhere. I just thought they just showed up at the grocery store.
The best way to experience a city is to merge with the crowd and let it take you on an unforgettable journey through the maze of city streets and through centuries.
I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance.
Well, I'm getting my hair cut in Croatia. 50 kuns, so it's about 10 bucks. Kuna.
This
So
guy does not know how to speak. You can't
No, I
say
don't.
anything right. Not any, like the currency, the words, the places.
Hi, I can speak Italian. No?
No,
English.
he can't.
Not English either.
No. Right, Coots?
Right, Suits? Yeah, Coots.
Suits!
Suits.
He even got his friend's name wrong.
I think you ended up winning the better looking
Haircut.
haircut than me, yeah, because I'm old.
What are we having?
Fresh orange juice.
Cheers!
Old Town is a must-see for its beauty and history, but be prepared to pay triple the cost for anything there compared to the rest of Dubrovnik. For a boat ride?
Yeah.
All right.
The Ombla River, which empties into the Adriatic Sea, is the source of drinking water for Dubrovnik. We were so lucky to stay in an Airbnb right along this beautiful river. To top it off, our host was kind enough to take our kids out for a boat ride.
Thank you so much for taking our kids on a boat. This is the best Airbnb yet. You got to stay at this place. This is awesome. So we're at the Valamar Hotel.
Yeah.
And
Dubrovnik.
In Dubrovnik, and we're not staying there, and they're letting us use their pool and beach club for free. All we have to do is buy a couple of drinks over there. Hopefully they're not $80, but
So nice.
so
here.
it's supposed to be really nice. Dubrovnik, Croatia is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. If you haven't been, what are you waiting for? And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fun videos. You want to live here?
Maybe. It's awesome.
It's beautiful here.
Yeah.